Quantity surveying is one of the best profession in the world. There are plenty of quantity surveying software available in the world. Glodon, CubiCost is one of them. Actually, CubiCost is the most efficient and effective quantity surveying software in the world. It's because CubiCost enabled with building information modeling. In this video, you will learn how to extract substructure elements within 5 minutes by using CubiCost software. Let's begin. I will go to this new, then I will start a new project. I will give a name as substructure. Then I will select the measurement rule. I will go with the NRM2. Then I will click OK. First things first, I will import a drawing to this amazing software. I will click on this plus sign. Then I will select this drawing and this general element of file cap drawing and click on open. Now this is my architectural site layout plan. First I have to measure the site clearance, and this is my general arrangement of pile cap drawing. Okay, then after that I have to measure the pile caps, ground beams, piles, excavation, screed, everything. Okay, I will go to this general arrangement of pile cap drawing and I will define axis grid line. I will go to this identify, click on pick axis, click on this axis grid line, right click, then pick label, click on the label, right click, then auto identification function. This is my axis grid line. Then I will relocate this architectural site layout plan with my axis grid line like this. Okay, now I can measure the site clearance. It is very simple. I will go to custom quantity and I will click on custom quantity and I will click on plus sign, then I will click on area and I will rename this as site clearance site clearance. Then I will go to this original layer, then I will get rid of other layers and I will click on this wall layer. Okay, now I can easily measure the site clearance. This is very simple. I will use this line function to measure the site clearance. I will start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right click. This is your site clearance. Very simple. Then I will go to this general arrangement of file cap. Then I will go to this foundation flow. Okay, and this is my foundation flow. I will auto identify pile caps. I will go to this foundation. I will click on pile cap. Then I will go to identify, click on pick sideline. Okay, I can measure the pile caps very easily. See, I will click on this sideline. Okay, after clicking one pile cap, I can select all the pile caps together and I will right click, then pick label, then I will click on the label, right click again, auto identify. Oh my god, I have measured all the pile caps within 1 second. Amazing, isn't it? I will quickly go to the sectional drawing of this pile cap. You can see that the height of the pile cap is 800. Now I can change the height of these pile caps. I will select them and I will change the height to 800. Very simple. Then I have to change the elevation. I will change this to floor top elevation. Okay, Now these are my pile caps. Then I will quickly measure the piles as well. Before that, I will show you the sectional drawings of this pile cap. You can see height of pile is 6000 millimeter. I will go to pile, then I will use this auto identification function as usual. First I have to click on pick sideline, then I will click on the sideline, right click, auto identify, boom, I have created my piles. I will select all the piles, then I have to change the height to 6000 millimeters. Very simple. There we go. Now you have piles 2. Then after that, I have to measure the ground beams. Very simple. Okay, you have ground beams here. I'll go to ground beam. Then I will use auto identification function. Pick sideline first. Click on the sideline, right click, pick label, click on the label, right click, auto identification function. Yes, you have your ground beams. Okay, and you have to change the elevation of these ground beams. You have to select these ground beams one by one. First I will select this ground beam and I will change the start as floor top elevation. Then I will select her other ground beams and I'll change the top elevation as low top elevation. Now it's okay, right? Yeah. This one, I'll select this one and I will change the height as low top elevation. Yes, here we go. Now yeah, now this is perfect. I can see all the elements like this. Okay, perfect. Now I have to measure the excavation. I will start with pit excavation. I will go to this pile cap, then I will go to draw and I will click on auto generate excavation. And as you can see, we can change the depth in stages. Okay, I will go with 1.5. Then we can remove the working space if we want. I will go with 0 and I will click OK. Yes, excavation done. Then I will measure the ground beam excavation. I will go to this ground beam. Then I will click on auto generate excavation again. Then I will change the working space as 0. Then I will click OK. Boom, I have generated the ground beam excavation as well. Very simple. Then I have to measure the ground slab as well. It's very simple. I will go to slab, then I will click on in situ slab, then I will click on this slab and I will rename this as 150 millimeter slab. Then I will change the thickness. This is 150. Then I will put the slab like this. Very simple. Just click on the faces. Boom, you have slab. And you have to change the elevation of the slab. I will change the elevation to floor top elevation. Now this is perfect. I have measured every element in this substructure. Okay, now I have to extract quantities. This is very simple. I will go to quantity and I will click on calculate. I can calculate all the quantities very easily. Yes, I have completed the calculation. Very simple. Now I can prepare quantity reports very easily. I will go to this report, then I will click OK, and I will go to this quantity measurement worksheet. Then I have to select entities. First I will select ground beams. On the foundation I can see ground beams. Okay, I want the volume. Then I will click on OK. I can get the TDS sheet. This is the magic of CubiCost. Okay, as quantity surveys, we started with this TDS. You can generate this TDS within 1 second by using this amazing software. Okay, like that, you can generate TDS sheet for every element, and you can easily export these TDS sheets to Excel by using this function. And this is the Excel. You can generate with this amazing software. After quantification, I will go back to my modeling. Okay, then I will get all the quantities from this view quantity by category. It's very simple. Then I will go to this foundation flow. Yeah, I can have all the quantities. I can easily export these quantities to an Excel sheet. I will save this. Okay, this is my Excel sheet, and I have a BOQ too. This is my BOQ. Okay, and I will right click here and I will click on move or copy, and I will move this BOQ to this newly created Excel sheet. Okay, yeah, I'll click OK. Okay, now you can see the BOQ here. Okay, and now I can quickly link the quantities with the BOQ. You can see clearing and removing debris from site. Okay, so I will go to custom quantity. You can see custom quantity here. You can see the quantity as 2,245. Then I will come back to my BOQ. Then I will put a plus here. Then I will go back to my custom quantity. Then I will click on this one and I will enter. You can see your quantity here. Okay, then the excavation, excavate trench excavation. Okay, I will go to trench excavation. You can see trench excavation here, and you have the volume. Okay, again I will use the same thing. I will put plus, then I will go to this trench excavation, then I will click on the volume, and I will press enter again. Then excavate pit. Okay, I will put plus again. Then pit excavation. Where is pit excavation? We have trench. Okay, now you have pit excavation here, and I will click on the volume. Then I will click enter. Okay, you can put pit excavation here. Then ground slab. I will use this one. Okay, I will put plus here. Then I will go to ground slab. I will click on the volume and enter. Then ground beam plus, have to go to ground beam. Yes, here it is. Click on the volume, enter. Then pile cap plus, yes, this is pile cap. Then I'll click on here, enter. Then the formwork, side of ground beam. I have to go to ground beam again, and you have the length of side of the ground beam. Okay, and you can see the formwork. Okay, I will use this formwork quantity. I will go back to the BOQ and I will put plus sign. Then I will click on this formwork quantity and I will press enter. Then sides of pile cap, I will put plus again. Then I will go to pile cap. Then area of sides. Okay, I will click on this side and I will put enter. Then piling work. Okay, I will put plus. Then I will go to pile. Okay, I can see the length, and I will press enter. Like that, you can finish your BOQ within very limited period of time. You can extract quantities within 5 minutes. Okay, then you can do the rest within 7 minutes. Okay, thank you very much for listening. CubiCost is the best quantity serving software in the world, and this is um, first video of mine in this video series. Okay, so let's meet uh, in the next video. Okay, so until then, have a wonderful day and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay blessed. CubiCost is the best quantity serving software in the world.